Hi angels, and welcome back to another Jerf Avenue haul and sizing video. I'm pausing the video here just to announce something very interesting, and that's that I'll be doing a Djerf Avenue giveaway, and you can enter as well because it's very simple. The thing that you can win is a Djerf Avenue gift card with a value of £50, because I know it's small but it's something from the heart, and it's going to be £50, $50, whatever that is in your currency, and I just want to make somebody happy for the holidays. And the way that you need to enter is very simple. You just need to do two things. The first one is to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and the second one is to write down in the comments your Instagram handle and also the country that you shop Djerf Avenue in. For example, I do shop in their UK website, but you might be from the USA, so that's going to be the worldwide website. So do let me know down in the comments which website you're using together with your Instagram handle, and I'll be contacting you before December to announce the winner. Good luck to everybody, and now back to the video. If you are a Djerf Avenue angel, chances are that you already know that there was a drop recently with something very exciting and something that I was waiting quite a lot for, and that's the Djerf Avenue jeans. So today, that's exactly what we'll be reviewing: the size, the design, everything of these gorgeous Djerf Avenue jeans. I know that you need help with that, and it's difficult when you're ordering online, especially jeans. That's why I'm going to be doing as well a comparison between the favorite pants and the jeans, so you can get a little bit of an idea of what might fit you better. When it comes to the favorite pants, one size can fit quite a lot of bodies. However, when it comes to jeans, you need that perfect fit, and that's why they have a lot more options for the jeans as well. So without further ado, let's start with the video. First, let's start with the design. So they're high-waisted jeans. The color is mid blue as described, and that's exactly what you're getting. They're a little bit faded in the area around the knee, which is very nice. I like that effect, and that it makes them a little bit more unique. And you also have those marks over here, which are faded as well, and it's just something interesting added to it. The material of the jeans is 99% cotton and 1% elastane, so there's a slight stretch into them, which is perfectly enough for you to feel comfortable in them, and I'll show you later on once I try them on. However, I haven't introduced you to two of my favorite details about those jeans, and the first of them is this button over here. It's the cutest thing ever. It does say Djerf Avenue on it, and I am just obsessed because such little details make my heart just go a little bit faster. Everything is in the little details for me. And the other thing you've probably already seen, and that's the Djerf Avenue logo on one of the back pockets, and it's embroidered to say Djerf Avenue on it. But what makes it a little bit more special is the red heart over here, which is the exact same shape and size of the tattoo that Matilda has on her arm. So that's the cutest thing ever, and it's just an extra message to her Djerf Avenue angels, which makes it extra cute. And as everything else on the inside, you have the sizing, which I got Djerf Avenue size 28 from the jeans. And like everything else, you have the little message over here saying you're an angel. Another thing that I thought while I was looking at the pictures online is that the material is not going to be very thick. However, when I received them, I was pleasantly surprised that the material is actually quite thick, and it feels very nice. And I'm just gonna show you over here. Maybe like that you're gonna get the idea better. So that's the feel of the jeans. You can see that there's stretch in them, but it's not too much. So I think it's the perfect thing when it comes to jeans. So let's try them on, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about them.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color, and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard.
And to be a little bit more helpful, I'm going to put here my measurements so you can have them for a reference. So yeah, so that's about it. and up close as well, so you can see clearly my waistline, my hips, and also that part of my legs over here, because I was afraid that in here it might look awkward because I have quite big thighs, but they fit perfectly fine. For this video, I once again do a side-by-side comparison just to see how the favorite pants sit compared to the jeans, and that's a size small.
Magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be.
And that's the length of the jeans. For reference, I am 5'3" or 160 centimeters, and I have bought the regular size of the jeans, and that's how they sit when I have trainers on. I'll just undo them. You know what, I'm gonna take the shoes off so you can see properly. So now you can see better where they end. They are going a little bit further than my actual feet, which I don't mind at all, because that's how it is with my other pants from Jerf Avenue as well. And usually I do wear a little bit higher shoes, so they're not actually reaching the ground. If I wear my Adidas ones, I think they are gonna reach the ground, but I don't really mind it, to be honest, because I just like the look of it. Maybe if you are shorter than me, you're gonna have to alter them a little bit more, but I really think it's worth it, to be honest. Or you can maybe just flip them. Let's see how it looks. Okay, that's a look as well. I prefer the other look, but that's an option for them too, for whoever is a little bit on the short side like me. Or if you're wearing any types of boots, I think they're gonna be perfectly fine, and I cannot wait to wear these jeans with high heels as well. So yes, that's the length of the jeans. I don't mind it, and I actually quite like how baggy they are over here. I like the style of them, the idea, everything. But as you can see, I am stepping over them a little bit, but when I add the shoes, they feel perfectly fine for me. Okay, now that I have my shoes on, you can see where they end. It's right where the sole is. So it's perfectly fine for me. And I don't usually wear this type of shoes when it's raining. I have like ones that have a higher sole, so it's going to be perfect in the Scottish weather. Like I said previously, from Jerf Avenue, I'm usually size small, and I tend to get whatever Matilda is getting because she wears size small in all the bottoms. However, this one is a little bit more figure hugging, and I know that there was a video where she was trying size 27 versus size 28, and I knew that I was a little bit bigger than her, so that's why I went for size 28. That's definitely the fit that I was going for, and I'm so glad that I ordered the size 28, because 27 I don't think it would have I think it would have been very tight over here. And now let me show you actually the stretchiness of those pants. So that's the space that I have over here and the space that I have over here, but because of the elastan, it's just hugging my body and it really fits like a glove. They are very stretchy and very comfortable, so you can freely move around in them. I can run in them. You can do squats in them, anything. However, they are a thick material, so I don't know how they've made it, but it's thick, it's quality material, but you can also move around in them a lot without feeling restrained or having that awful feeling when you're wearing jeans that it's like stiff and you can't do anything. No, these jeans are not like that. They are very free, they're very nice, you can wear them for hours and you're gonna feel just as good as when you're wearing the favorite pants. What I would advise if you are to purchase the jeans and you're wondering which size to get is to definitely look at the models on their website, as they do have a large variety of people and they're showing what sizes they are wearing in the jeans, and that's how I figured out for me as well. I also asked the customer service and they were very helpful too. However, the models and looking at their pictures were the thing that made me decide which size to get, because I used these models and I feel like my body is kind of similar to theirs in a way. That's why I went for the 28, and they're the best fit that I could have imagined. So angels, that's the end of this video. I hope it has been helpful to you. Let me know down in the comments how else I can help you out. If you need any other help with the sizing, or if you have any questions about the jeans, I'll happily answer them in the comments. I like making these types of videos because I do know that I am helping out people at least a little bit, and that makes me very, very happy. Sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!